Mastering the simple present tense. Speak English like a pro. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another session of English Grammar Fundamentals. Today we're going to dive into a fundamental building block of English grammar, the simple present tense. You use this tense every day, often without even thinking about it. By the end of this video, you'll understand when and how to use it properly. Let's start from the basics. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. The structure is straightforward. For most verbs, you'll use the base form. For example, I read a book. But if you're speaking in third-person singular, he, she, it, add an s or s to the base verb, like, he reads a book. Remember, use the base form of the verb for I, you, we, they. Add an s or s to the verb for he, she, it. One of the primary uses of the simple present tense is to describe regular actions or habits. These are things you do regularly, maybe every day, every week, or even every year. For example, I walk to school every day, or she brushes her teeth before bed. Practice tip: try making a few sentences about your daily habits using the simple present tense. We also use the simple present tense to talk about unchanging situations and general truths. These are facts of life, things that don't change, like, the sun rises in the east, or, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Keep in mind, facts or general truths are usually expressed in the simple present tense, even if they sound quite philosophical. Lastly, we use the simple present tense to describe fixed arrangements in the future. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's common when talking about things like schedules. For instance, the train leaves at 5 p.m., or, the conference starts tomorrow. Remember, even though these are future events, because they are fixed or scheduled, we use the simple present tense. And that's a wrap on the simple present tense. Remember, it's used for habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. Practicing this tense will improve your English fluency immensely. Thank you for joining us today, and keep practicing. Next time, we'll explore the present continuous tense. Until then, happy learning!